Hi, today about desert air condition system. In some development countries like India and Colombia and part of Africa, like in Nigeria, if pottery clay put in another pottery clay with burlap fabrics inside in the middle and keep it with water, inside, and isolate pottery clay from top, you can save food inside for days, exactly as refrigerator. This is the main idea. Back to the desert air conditioned system. We have pottery clay over here. Against fan, and I open it from the back, so it's hollow like this and opened. When you put it in front of the fan like this, surrounded by satin fabrics and bottle of water, continuously keep it wet. When wet, pottery clay, there is an exchange of heat inside to be outside. The heat will be outside and cold will be inside. By pushing air from the fan like this, it will go and push the air, cold air from inside to the marble. This is a marble with some drops of water. This marble is a square marble or tunnel of marble. The marble is cold by stone naturally. Naturally, the stone marble is cold, and with water it's getting colder more. And you exactly when you feel it, you feel cold, normal, without any kind of water. Finally, the air coming from pottery clay to marble to go all the way through the tunnel, then we'll go through a burlap filter. Burlap filter work as a filter to get the cold air with low humidity and less water because of burlap filter. And all this water will be absorbed and getting beneath the container beneath, like this one. To be like that. So it's working and all. This is the circle again. Air going to pottery clay, then going to marble, then to go to burlap filter, and coming back cold. Okay. The system could be built with aluminum and steel, not wood like this one here. Wood only for explanation and description. Also, the system is very low in cost and saving electricity. You can use this system indoor or outdoor, especially for greenhouse, warehouse, and agriculture industries. Thank you.